Being a part of career and technical education, we don't have to do guesswork. We're able to speak directly with industry partners, moving things forward and identifying where we need to go.
We're all realizing that we have to partner better with industry and corporations to make sure that our kids are leaving our programs ready for what the workforce needs and demands of them.
We saw the opportunity with this space. We're looking at developing young talent to bring them into the dealership level for future technicians.
My career is to be an engineer, a CNC machinist, a designer. This BOCES class teaches you real-world skills for your workplace opportunities.
So a snap-on, our partnership with Ulster BOCES is helping us train the future pipeline for the industry professionals that are drastically needed in this environment.
It's important that we are setting the industry standard. Students, young professionals that are coming out of this building are our future workforce. Ulster BOCES is a game changer when it comes to industry partnership, and we've never seen anything like it before.
We have some of the latest technology that they have there. When we have these kinds of tools, it really does teach responsibility. An employer is going to want somebody who is responsible, they can take care of the tools, they act with respect to the environment around them.
We want to grow employable good humans at Ulster BOCES and the Career Pathways program so that they have a strong sense of identity in what value they can bring to the community.
BOCES is able to teach these students incredible different tools, opportunities, jobs that you wouldn't be able to learn in any other program possible.
BOCES has really opened my eyes to things I didn't know I could achieve.